Ladies and Habibis, today I am going to show you how you can use Grok 1.5 for free and unlimited, and the platform I'm going to tell you about today, you can use it to generate videos, storyboard images, and a whole lot more. And hey Habibis, if this video is bringing you value, do me a favor and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's hype this video up together. It really helps the channel grow. And honestly, I appreciate every single one of you. It truly means the world to me. Thank you so much. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to show you how to use Grok 1.5 for free and unlimited. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is head over to this website right here. This is a temp mail website, and I'll make sure to drop the direct link in the description below for you. Now, here's something really important. You have to use this specific temp mail website only, because this trick simply won't work with any other temp mail service out there. So don't skip this step, and after that, go ahead and open a new tab and head over to this website right here. Don't worry about finding it yourself. I'll drop the links to both websites right in the description below, so it's super easy for you to access. Now go back to the temp mail website we just visited, pick any temp email address from there, copy it, and keep it handy, because we're going to need it in just a second. Now go back to the OEOE website and click on sign up. You can see it right there in the top right corner. Now go ahead and paste that temp mail address we just copied into the email field. And for the password, you can set it to anything you want. Just make sure it includes numbers, at least one capital letter, and a special character so it meets the requirements. Now personally, for this demo, I'm just using the temp email address as my password too, just to keep things simple and quick. But you can set yours to whatever works for you. Now go ahead and click on Create Account. Once you do that, you'll be asked to solve a quick CAPTCHA dot. Just go ahead and complete that. It only takes a second. After that, the website is going to send a 6-digit verification code straight to your temp mail address. So, what you need to do is go back to the temp mail website, grab that code, copy it, come back here, and paste it right into this field. After that, your account will be verified and created. And as you can see right here, I've already received 200 credits. And on top of that, this website gives you 60 free credits every single day, which you can claim to get 60 extra credits daily. And now, as you can see, I have a total of 260 credits. Now, here's where things get really exciting. This website gives you access to a ton of different tools for generating literally any type of content you need. And just look at this. As you can see right here, there are so many pre-designed AI agents already built in and ready to use. Now, when it comes to creating videos, it's super simple. Just click on the Start Creating button right here, and you're good to go. Now, after that, all you have to do is enter your prompt right here, and you can instantly create text to video. And if you click on the agent option, you can browse and select from different video models. Now you'll notice that some models have a crown icon on them. Those are premium models and require a paid subscription to use. But you can use Grok 1.5, Seedance 1.5, Hailuo 2.5, and Kling 2.6 all completely for free. So you're still getting access to some really powerful models without spending a single penny. One more important thing, the model named Ximagine 1.5 is actually Grok 1.5. So I'm going to go ahead and select it right here, and make sure you have free creation selected here, because this is where you get access to different agents like script to full storyboard, character design, scene design, and item design. So make sure free creation is selected. After that, upload the image or storyboard scene image that you want to animate. Then just add a simple prompt here like animate this scene and make sure to mention no text or captions in the final video. We're not adding a detailed prompt here because the storyboard image already has the dialogues and animation prompts written in it. Now if you go ahead and hit that generate button, it's going to start creating your video right away. But hold on, before we do that, let me quickly make sure I have Grok 1.5 selected first, and then we'll send it off to generate the video. And just like that, as you can see right here, the video has already started generating. And the best part, it only takes a few seconds and your video will be completely ready. So just hang tight, and as soon as it's done, I'll show you exactly what the final result looks like. Stay tuned. All right, Habibis, the moment you've been waiting for. The video is fully generated. Now let me show you exactly how it came out. Let's check out the final result together.
Legend says the heart of the forest can bring life back to our jungle. Then let's find it.
And as you can see, the video has been generated really well. It has followed the animation prompt perfectly, and the dialogues have been delivered really nicely in the video. Now let me show you how you can use it unlimited. When your credit run out, simply log out of your account, then go back to the temp mail website, click on a random address to get a new email, copy it, come back to the OIOI website and create a brand new account. By doing this, you'll get 260 credits again, and this entire process takes less than 30 seconds. And that's a wrap, Habibis. That's exactly how you can use Grok AI, Seedance, AI, and Kling AI, all completely for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.